who would get to know us, not just our numbers. Mortgage Solutions was a perfect fit. They started here.
National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern El Paso County and east central Colorado until 4:45 p.m. At 4:12 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Rama, or 30 miles southwest of Lyman, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northeastern El Paso County. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
KRDO's Morning News, weekdays 5 to 9 on KRDO News Radio, 105.5 FM, 1240 AM, and 92.5 FM.
4:15 is the time right now. As you heard, we've got some severe thunderstorms out there, especially out to the northeast.